responsibilities on board the ship. Master.
Master, overall in command in all vessel.
Chief officer.
Chief Officer in charge in cargo and balance operation.
Okay. Second officer.
Second officer, responsible for navigational equipment.
Okay.
Third officer, responsible for the maintenance of LSA and FFA.
Okay. Bosun.
Bosun, under chief mate, and I direct and oversees deck works.
Okay. AV.
AP, Assisting Chief Officer and Bosun for Maintenance.
Okay. OS.
OS, Assisting Bosun and Chief Officer for Maintenance.
Very good. Chief cook.
Chief cook in charge of beverage and food and vessel.
Okay, very good. Okay, gentlemen, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Cap TV, Timbo TV. Thank you and God bless.
Subscribe.